Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress code with Harry. We will begin by understanding the fundamental structure of WordPress, which is crucial for any customization. Then, we will explore the safest and most effective ways to implement your own code. You will learn about child themes and how Harry can streamline your development workflow, making code integration much smoother and more manageable for everyone. A child theme is your first line of defense when customizing WordPress. It allows you to make extensive changes to your site's appearance and functionality without directly altering the parent theme. This means when the parent theme receives an update, your custom code remains intact. It is a simple yet powerful method to keep your site stable and your modifications secure, saving you countless hours of rework. WordPress provides a robust system of hooks, both actions and filters, which are essential for extending its core functionality. Action hooks allow you to execute custom code at specific points in the WordPress lifecycle, while filter hooks let you modify data before it is displayed or saved. Learning to use these effectively, perhaps with Harry's assistance, unlocks immense power for creating unique and dynamic website features. Before implementing any new code, always create a full backup of your WordPress site. This is a critical step. Testing your code in a staging environment, separate from your live site, prevents potential issues from affecting your visitors. Should errors occur, enabling WordPress debugging will help pinpoint the problem quickly. Harry can offer valuable tools to manage your code efficiently and maintain a healthy, error-free website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.